Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to create a new tab on Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your device. At the top of the screen, tap on the plus icon next to the current tab. A new tab will open showing the Chrome homepage or a blank page depending on your settings. You can now type a URL or search for anything in the address bar of the new tab. That's it. You've successfully created a new tab on Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.